1-minute parent tip. The topic today is accept the respect paradox. You can't expect respect from your kids. Sometimes they haven't learned it yet, but you also can't accept if they don't respect. So the paradox is to teach your kids respect without expecting them to respect and not being upset if they disrespect. Sounds like a rap song or something. So what happened in my family recently was one of my sons, who's really funny and clowny and loves to clown around and make people laugh, as a way to make his brother laugh, he deliberately peed himself and got a big puddle of pee on the floor. And he's 9 years old, so it's not an issue of potty training. It was an issue of just being funny and goofing off, knowing that it was not okay to do that, because I have tried to teach them not to respect our things. So in a way, I couldn't get mad at him for not being respectful, but I also couldn't just let it go if he's being disrespectful. So what happened after that was I told him that he had lost my respect, and in order to earn back my respect, to show me that he respected our things, he would not be able to touch any of my property. Like, he couldn't touch the TV, he couldn't touch the iPad, the computers, none of our items in our home that cost money, that are valuable. He's not allowed to touch them until he shows me that he can respect those things. So he lost his cooperation money for that day, definitely. And we did have a talk about earning back my trust. But at the same time, I did not punish him and I did not get angry at him, because learning to respect things is a process and it takes time. And now we can even laugh about, well, maybe he would like to join the circus, because in the circus, you know, you can pee on the floor and sleep in the dirt and do all kinds of things like that, if that's, and make people laugh. He can be a clown. And so far he's said that he definitely doesn't want to run off and join the circus, so that's a good thing. And he's learning to earn back my trust.